Good evening, traders. Today's Monday, October 10th, 2016, and this is Trader Tim from eMoneyMind bringing you a Monday market analysis video. Not a whole lot has changed since last week. We'll keep it short and sweet. I've got the 24 hours worth of data turned on the chart, and today, being a market holiday, I don't put a ton of credibility into today's price action. Nothing really with volume backing it, but we are at the apex of this wedge formation, this triangle, if you will, and we're looking for it to break this week, possibly tomorrow. There's not a ton on the calendar Tuesday for news, but that doesn't mean we can't start breaking highs and work our way higher. If we do get a break, I'll be looking for a couple of things. The first being, if we get a gap up any day this week, it doesn't necessarily have to come tomorrow, but getting long above the high of the first 5-minute candle would be a great opportunity to get into a gap and go day. And so if we gap up above, these previous day's highs, that could be a catalyst to start getting shorts stopped out and having new long positions activated. So as we start to break these highs back here and then previous swing highs from earlier in the last couple of weeks, taking out the high at 72.75 would be the major break of this triangle. And then I look for us to trade back up into previous highs at 2190s. The target on the 50% retracement that is just below us is 2189.86. So I'd be looking for that as a potential pause, kind of taking us into this resistance of previous highs. And if we can break these highs, that would be really big news for the markets going into the holiday season. There's a lot coming up in terms of the presidential election here in the United States and going into the holidays. So there's earnings announcements and things like that later this fall. So we've got a lot of potential catalysts out there. So it's important to try and strip down and keep things as simple as possible in the broader scope analysis and allow those earnings, those news announcements, the presidential election to kind of shake the market as it will. So expecting some sort of a pop this week. The failure point would be down here at 2127s. If we do get a major sell-off that takes us down to that point, then I'd be looking for us to come all the way back down to 2086s. So that's where I'm at for this week. Nice short and sweet video. If you want to check out the trading room tomorrow, Tuesday morning, go over to eMoneyMind.com/VIP and you can join in there. Thanks. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning.